Bro, this cop's literally shooting my car up.
What is happening?
He just shot my fucking car up. Is he fucking stupid?
He just ran away. Like, he shot all of our cars and then ran away. It was like a lieutenant.
Fucking god, I swear.